So, good morning everyone. I am your reporter for today. I am Wenji Arcevelio and I will report about how to measure radiation. So, there are four types. How can we measure radiation? Number one is Curie. A unit measuring the amount of radioactive in a substance. A is a unit equivalent to 3.7 times 10 to the power of 10 disintegrated per second of any radioactive nuclei. It indicates the rate at which radioactive atom decay. So ang Curie daw no is kanang mao ni siya ang ga-measure sa mga active nga radiation sa isa ka material or sa isa ka place. So kung equivalent ning 3.7 times 10 to the power of 10 in the exact number is mag-cause or kanang mag-equivalent siya is into 37 billion disintegrated per seconds. Mao bitaw ng tanan nga lugar or kanang isa ka lugar nga exposed or naay radiation is kanang mapatay. Tanan nga resources or kanang mga kinabuhi dira, even kanang soil, plants or any other living creature. So number 2 is RAD or radiation absorbed dose. A unit measuring the amount of radiation absorbed by a material, especially human and animal tissue. 1 rad is equivalent to 100 ergs or energy absorbed per gram of tissue. It focuses on the energy deposited in the tissue. So, ang rad naman po is kanang mao siya ang ga-measure sa mga materials or kanang mga tao or animals nga na-expose or kanang na-expose sa radiation. So number 3, REM. A unit measuring a biological effect of radiation on the human body. It considers the type of radiation and its relative biological effectiveness. 1 REM is equivalent to the biological effect of 1 rad of X-ray. This unit accounts for a damage caused by different type of radiation. So the number 3 is REM. Ang REM is ga-measure sa human body nga na-expose na sa radiation. 1 REM is equivalent to 1 biological effect of 1 rad of X-ray. So ang buot pasabot ani is ang REM daw or isa ka REM is equivalent na siya of 1 rad of X-ray or kanang naay mga organs or vital organs nimo nga or kanang skin nga nanay siya damage. Number 4 is Roentgen unit. Is the quantities of gamma and X-ray radiation that produces electrostatic unit of positive and negative electricity in 1 cubic centimeter of air and normal temperature and pressure. So the number 4 is Roentgen. So ang Roentgen daw is kanang mga radiation or radioactive nga kanang nahalo sa hangin o kanang mao po ni siya ang kanang magdala or kanang mag-spread depende sa kakusgon sa hangin. So mao ni ang mga materials para maibawan kung nabay radiation ang isa ka item or kanang isa ka object. So number 1 is pen dosimeter. Mao na siya kanang pen na siya tapos kanang tan-awan na nimo dira sa sulod tapos mabaw-an na nimo kung unsa kadaghan ang radiation ana sa isa ka object. So number 2 is surveymeter. Murag ingana rin mo na kanang itapat mo lang sa hangin tapos mabaw-an na nimo kung pila ang radioactive dira. So maura na ma'am, mao ang mga way how to measure radiation.